Hello again everyone, welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today I'm here with a recipe for crispy, crunchy potato sticks. Anyone who has the ingredients at home can make this recipe. Friends, only 3 ingredients. It's truly a crispy, crunchy and delicious recipe. If you'd like, let's get started with the recipe together. First of all, 3 pieces. I'm going to boil the potatoes. My potatoes weren't very big, friends. That's why I used 3 of them. If your potatoes are large, you can use 2. I'm cutting them up like this. Add water on top. Yes, my potatoes are boiled. While they're still hot, I'm mashing them right away, friends. If you mash them while they're hot, it's much easier to do. Make sure the potatoes aren't left lumpy, friends. Otherwise, your sticks will break apart. It won't look nice at all. You need to turn them completely into a puree. I've mashed the potatoes. Now on top of them, 3 tablespoons of starch. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of black pepper and enough salt. I'm kneading it. Then I take it onto the counter and bring it together like this. As I mentioned, make sure it's smooth. Friends, the potatoes need to be completely mashed. Now I'm dividing it in 2. After rolling it, I'll flatten it between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Don't roll it out too thick, friends. If it's too thick, the inside might stay a bit doughy. That's why you should roll it out thin. Let me show you like this. I'm trimming the edges. I'm cutting it like this. This recipe is both very practical and very delicious, friends. If you follow all the tips, you'll end up with a great recipe. Let me show you the thickness. Don't roll it out too thick, friends. For it to be crispier, it needs to be a bit thin. Now I'm going to fry it in hot oil. I'm putting enough into the pan. After one side is fried, I'll flip them over. Now, for them to be crispy, they need to be fried really well. Let's pay attention to this step, please. I flipped the ones that are fried. Yes, the other side is fried as well. I lined the bottom with paper towels and I'm taking the plate. Be sure to line it with paper towels, friends, so it absorbs the excess oil. As you can see, they've turned a beautiful golden brown, friends. Be sure to fry them like this as well. Our potato sticks are ready. Let me show you the crunch of one of them, friends. I recommend eating them while they're hot, friends. They may get soft if you let them sit. We've come to the end of our recipe for today. Thank you so much for watching me. If you liked my recipe, I would really appreciate it if you click the like button and support me by leaving a comment. You can also share it with your friends whom you want to see this recipe. If you have any questions about the recipe, you can write them in the comment section and I'll help you that way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and turn on notifications to be instantly informed about new recipes. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Please. Hope to see you in the next recipes. Goodbye.